Hi guys, I've recently bought this graphics tablet called Veikk S640 and today I'm going to do a short unboxing of the same. This tablet is a very useful tool rather than a mouse if you are working on any graphic designing project. So let us open the box and check what we have in it. When we open the box, we get 6 by 4 inches of tablet, a pen, some extra tips along with a tip removal tool, and of course we also have the manual along with it. We also get this card in the box which shows how to install the drivers in our devices. I'll show you complete steps for installing the drivers at the end of this video. I must say that I'm quite impressed with the quality of the tablet looking at the price range at which I have got the tablet. The pen which comes along with this tab is totally battery free so that you don't have to charge it every time you have to use it. This tablet is ultra thin and is compatible to Windows and Mac system. Talking about the compatibility with the mobile devices, one thing I don't understand is that it can be connected to any Android phone other than Samsung phone. Now this is weird as Samsung is the leading brand in smartphone market and lot of people own Samsung mobile. About that, it also doesn't support iPhone OS. So this won't be an appropriate buy for the beginner photo editors who edit their photos in their mobile if they are using Samsung or an iPhone. However, if you are using with your desktop, then I think this is the best deal for the beginners at such a price range. Be it a photo editing or a digital painting project, this tablet can be a very good companion. So let us now see how to install the drivers of this tablet in your desktop. So you first have to go to veikk.com and then you have to click on downloads and then you'll get a drop down. In that drop down you have to select driver and you'll get two options, one for Mac OS and the other for Windows OS. I am downloading it for Windows as I'm having a Windows OS. So once you have downloaded the drivers, you have to open the folder. You need to double click on it and then the installer will automatically open. You just have to click on install and your device will also ask you if you have to install this device software. So you have to click on install and there you go, the installation is now completed.